welcome to our programming series. Today we are diving into C programming and we are going to start with the traditional first program Hello World. If you are new here, don't worry, we are go step by step. Let us start by writing our first C program. Open your favorite compiler. I am using C++ Turbo. All beginners are using that because it's simple and convenient to use. You can also download it from Chrome, or otherwise you don't have laptop or computer, no problem. You also do it from your mobile. Just go on any browser and search the C compiler. Click on that website and here we go. Now you can do any C program from here. Now return to the program. Now hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, int main, bracket open bracket close, curly bracket open, printf hello world, get ch, bracket open bracket close, and here a semicolon and close the bracket. Let me explain what happening here. We include the standard input output library, that is studio.h, which allows to use function like printf. Then we use conio.h that allows to use the get ch that we use only in C++ Turbo compiler. In other compiler we doesn't need a get ch, otherwise we use return 0. Always remember that. And then the main function is where our program start executing. Inside we have printf. In printf there is string is hello world. This line prints hello world to the console. Finally, get ch is you exit our program with success status. Now let's save this file. If you don't see any errors, that means our program compiled successfully. To run it from here, otherwise you can simply click on F11, automatically it compile and run your program. And there it is, hello world, displayed on our screen. Congratulations, you are just written and execute your first C program. Stay tuned for more exciting stuff in our programming journey. If you have any question or suggestions for further videos, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you.